Hello, I am going to talk about my family. My sister is Marilyn Moreno. She is 42 years old. She is certified public accountant and is taller than my sister Elizabeth. She is 45 years old. My wife is Claudia. He is slimmer than my mom. She is 28 years old. My mother is younger. My father. He is a driver a car, short and grey hair. My brother is Anderson. He is taller than me. He lives in Spain and works as fiber installer. I am married. My wife is Claudia. We have been married for 3 years. She is older than me. We love travel. This is my family. Bye.